Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A57s, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from a SIM card to the phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up a standalone contacts application which is located under the Google folder. There we go. In here, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, they should all be selected, so you can deselect contacts that you don't want. And from there, you can check Import. This will import all the selected contacts, and you can now find them in your contacts list. Now, additionally, by default, it imports it into my device, which you can see right here. And I think normally if I was logged into a Google account, this would be a visible, let me just kind of go back here. This would be a visible drop-down menu, I believe, like somewhere right here. And you could choose between your device or Google account. And depending on which one you pick, if you select device, then contacts will be only imported to this specific device internally. But if you selected Google account, the contacts that are imported to the Google account will be synced up between every other device that is logged into the same account. And additionally, depending on which one you selected, you might need to switch it right here where we have the phone. If you select a Google account, you might need to select an account which will be visible right here. Otherwise, it will be just showing you contacts that are located on your phone, which in that case, that could be no contacts. So anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. So if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.